quiet beginning. You're not scared of the task. You're not scared of sending the message, or making the call, or having the talk. You're scared of how big it feels. You're scared of what it might change. You're scared that once you start, everything might shift. Your body feels the size of it. When something feels big, your body reacts like it's danger, even if it isn't. And that feeling can stop you before you begin. Why fear shows up. Fear does not mean something is wrong. Fear does not mean you are weak. It means your body is trying to protect you. Big change feels unsafe. If you're thinking about leaving a job, ending a relationship, starting something new, speaking up for yourself, your body does not know the outcome. It only knows this is different. This might change things, and change feels risky. So your body slows you down. Your chest tightens. You overthink. You delay. You tell yourself, maybe tomorrow. That delay is not laziness. It is protection. Your body is trying to keep you safe from the unknown. But here's the problem. If the step always feels huge, you will always freeze. So the answer is not pushing harder. It's making the step smaller. Why small steps calm fear? Small steps feel safer. When a step is small, your body does not panic. If I tell you, change your whole life today, your body says no. If I tell you, take 2 minutes, your body says, maybe. Your body needs proof. You do not need confidence first. You need proof that you can move without something bad happening. Every small step you finish is proof. Proof that you can start, you can stop, you are safe. Finished steps build trust. Not big leaps, not perfect plans. Small, finished steps. That is how fear gets quieter. The safe step method. Step 1, shrink the step. Forget the whole problem. Do not think about fixing the relationship. Do not think about quitting the job. Do not think about solving your whole life. Ask instead, what is the smallest piece? Not 50%. Not 20%. 5%. Something almost too small. Examples. Open the laptop. Write 1 sentence. Look at your bank account. Say, can we talk later? That's it. Step 2. Set a tiny time limit. 2 to 5 minutes. Set a timer. 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Not an hour. When the timer ends, you stop. This teaches your body. I can begin and I can stop. That feels safe. Step 3. Move your body. Change your position. Stand up. Walk. Go outside. Sit somewhere new. Movement tells your body, we are not trapped. Step 4. Finish and pause. When it's done, stop. Do not add more. Do not judge it. Just notice. I did that. That moment matters. That is where trust grows. What this looks like in real life. Life direction. You feel stuck. You keep thinking, I need to figure out what I'm doing with my life. That is too big. Safe step. Write one page answering one question. What do I not want anymore? That's it. Not your 5-year plan, just one page. Relationships. You know something feels off. You avoid the talk because it feels huge. Safe step. Send one message. Hey, can we talk this week? Not the whole conversation. Just opening the door for discussion. Work. You hate your job. Find a new career feels overwhelming. Safe step. Open a job site. Look for 5 minutes. Close it. You are not quitting today. You are just looking. Personal boundaries. You keep saying yes when you mean no. Safe step. Pause before answering. Say, let me think about it. That one sentence creates space. Space feels safer than confrontation. Fear shrinks when the step feels safe. Not when you force yourself. Not when you shame yourself. When you make the step small enough that your body says yes. A gentle closing. If the step feels too big, it is not the right step yet. Make it smaller. If you freeze again, make it smaller. There is always a smaller version. And if you want help finding it, I'll walk with you. Walk with me.